Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two digital cameras that will surely capture your attention. On the left, we have the Camcorey digital camera, and on the right, the Antene digital camera, FHD 4K autofocus vlogging camera. Let's jump right into it and see which one comes out on top.
Alright, let's talk about the price.
The Camcorey digital camera comes in at just $76, while the Antene digital camera is priced at $99.
So if you're on a tight budget, the Camcorey might be the better option for you. Now let's dive into image quality.
The Camcorey camera captures high-clarity FHD 1080p videos and 44 megapixels photos with its newest CMOS metering system, delivering natural color images automatically. On the other hand, the Antene camera boasts a 48 megapixel CMOS sensor and 4K Full HD video recording. So if you're looking for that extra resolution and crispness, the Antene camera has got you covered. Say goodbye to blurry shots.
The Antene digital camera comes with an autofocus function, ensuring your subjects are always sharp and in focus.
Unfortunately, the Camcorey camera doesn't offer this feature. So if you want to capture fast-moving action or delicate close-ups with precision, the Antene camera is the way to go. Let's zoom in on the zoom capabilities.
The Camcorey camera offers a 16x zoom, which is great for photographing objects in the distance.
On the other hand, the Antene camera also provides a 16x digital zoom, giving you versatile framing options for various shooting scenarios.
It's a tie in this category. When it comes to the display, the Antene camera takes the lead with its 2.8 inches IPS screen, offering a clear view of your subject and camera settings. Plus, it has a built-in LED light that enhances your shooting capabilities in low-light conditions.
The Camcorey camera unfortunately falls short in this category.
Lastly, let's talk about what you get in the package. The Camcorey camera comes with everything you need, including an SD card, lanyard, storage bag, batteries, adapter, cable, and an exquisite box. Meanwhile, the Antene camera includes a 32GB SD card and 2 rechargeable batteries, giving you a seamless and enjoyable photography experience right out of the box. Both the Camcorey digital camera and the Antene digital camera had their strengths and weaknesses.
If you're on a tight budget and want decent image quality, the Camcorey camera is a solid choice. However, if you're looking for higher resolution, autofocus, and a better display, the Antene camera might be worth the extra investment. That's all for today's camera comparison.
We hope this video helped you in making a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons.
Stay tuned for our next episode of Buy Smart.